Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a new video. I hope you guys all are doing good. So friends, in today's video you will going to know more about pink heels. So let's start our video. They are fantastic choice for those looking to add a touch of femininity and style to their wardrobe. These shoes come in various shades of pink ranging from soft and delicate pastels to bold and vibrant fuchsias. Whether you prefer the classic elegance of pumps, the striking appeal of stilettos, or the comfort of wedges, there is a pink heel style for every occasion. So, what sets pink heels apart is their ability to make a fashion statement. Pink is often associated with femininity and can be a powerful fashion choice. Pink heels can effortlessly complement a wide range of outfits, from dresses and skirts to jeans and trousers. They add a touch of sophistication and can easily transition from casual to formal settings. The choice of material can significantly impact the overall look of pink heels. Leather heels are timeless and formal, while suede offers a softer, more textured appearance. Patent pink heels provide a glossy finish, ideal for add a touch of glamour to your ensemble. Satin pink heels, on the other hand, can infuse a sense of luxury into your outfit. So, comfort is another crucial aspect to consider when selecting pink heels. Many brands feature like padded insoles and cushioned footpads to ensure comfort during extended wear. Heel heights varies, allowing you to choose between low, mid, or high heels depending on your style and comfort preferences. Proper care is essential to maintain the vibrant look of pink heels. Regular cleaning and protection against stains and scuffs are necessary to keep them in pristine condition. Storing them in a cool, dry, and place and avoiding exposure to excessive heat or direct sunlight can help preserve their appearances. So, to sum it up, pink heels are a stylish and versatile choice of footwear that can add a unique flair to your outfits. Their diverse options in terms of shades, styles, and materials make them a valuable addition to your fashion collection, suitable for various occasions. With the right care, these fashionable heels will continue to be a staple in your wardrobe. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have already subscribed, please do not forget to press the bell icon in order to get notification of my new videos. And friends, also do not forget to like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel, and let me know in comments if you want more videos on these types of shoes. I will see you in my next video with more creative ideas of beautiful shoes. Goodbye, see you soon.